the test tube 1, it is still can add some more salt with it. If you add some extra salt, it is capable to dissolve some more extra salt also with it. Are you following? And if you see here, there is no settlement. Yet, if you add a little salt, it can dissolves because it is unsaturated. Its limit of saturation is not yet fulfilled. So, this is unsaturated solution. You see both the solutions are having 10 ml of water in both the test tube. Because the size of the test tube is more, it looks to be less amount. But actually both the solutions are having equal volume. Now when you add equal salt, in the first attempt it dissolves completely. In the second attempt we added only to test tube B and C. Finally, why the extra salt is settled down at the bottom? Because it is already saturated, and unsaturated are yet to dissolve some more salt. These these test tubes tells us the information that the compounds, the solutions in which the limit of saturation completed, they are called saturated solution. When once it's a saturation limit completes, the extra salt will settle down at the bottom. So whenever you see in your surroundings any solution in which there is a settlement at the bottom, what is the name of the solution? You can say saturated solution. And in which there is no settlement at the bottom, it is commonly we say unsaturated solution. Now I am going to prepare super saturated solution. The extra salt after burning, take close to it, show something salt is now burning. Pass. You see now the total salt which is settled down at the bottom is now start dissolving. This is an extra amount of salt going to dissolve in the solution. This is how we prepare super saturated solution. Let me show you the extra amount of salt is dissolved. Take it close. Take close to it. The extra amount of salt is dissolved in it, okay? And this is highly unstable. When once it cools down, when I disturb it, just by striking with the finger, just by striking with the finger, you see some of the salt is going to settle down at the bottom. Show it here in this way. You see now the amount of salt is now going to settle down. The amount of salt now increases a little. See, previously it was very little. Now you see most of the salt is now coming to settle down at the bottom. This indicates that super saturated solutions are highly unstable. So dear students, super saturated solutions about, we just now come to know that these solutions are highly unstable and it dissolves extra amount of salt on heating. And because they are highly unstable, when we strike a little, the extra amount of salt now comes to cool down